Hello, welcome to Microsoft channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of Microsoft Surface Pro 7. It's not a brand new Surface Pro 7. It is certified refurbished. The original price of a brand new Surface Pro 7 costs over $700, and this one just cost us a little bit over $500. If you really have a tight budget and you want to get a Surface Pro 7, it's not a bad idea to get a refurbished one. Now let's open up to see what's inside and to see if we can see any noticeable differences. Text specifications of this tablet will be listed here for your information. To be honest, this is my first time I take a close look at a Microsoft tablet. My first impression is okay. It's light. It's a bit lighter than a regular iPad. I like this design because I don't have to get an additional case to have such a support. But I have to say the design of this Surface Pro 7 looks pretty old to me, and it looks almost the same as the former a few Surface tablets. Well, it ran out of power, so I can't turn on to show you how the screen looks like. Another thing I'm not very satisfied is that the keyboard is sold separately, and this already costs over $700, and I have to pay another $100 or even more for a keyboard. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing video of the Surface Pro 7. I will see you very soon.